welcome to Bell and Skykeys channel, and my name is Bell, and today we are going to install a XAMPP. So first of all, what is XAMPP? So XAMPP stands for a cross-platform, meaning it works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Apache, the web server, MariaDB, the database, formerly MySQL, PHP, a server-side scripting language, and lastly, Perl, another scripting language. So for our instructions, we're going to download XAMPP, install, and disable UAC and antivirus, and then we're gonna test it by testing PHP My Admin Dashboard, and then we're gonna make a simple web page. So first, we're going to search for XAMPP download, and we're gonna press on the first link, and then we're going, and we can see here XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for browsers, and there's also XAMPP for Linux and XAMPP for OS. But I'm going to download XAMPP for Windows. So while waiting, we're going to search for user account control or UAC. So we're going to disable it. By disabling user account control, it helps prevent XAMPP installation errors due to restricted write permissions in default programs file directories. So if you have any antivirus software, it can also interfere with the installation process by flagging XAMPP's components as potential threats, leading to incomplete or failed installation. So we have to disable it too. But after installing XAMPP, we can re-enable both UAC and antivirus after installation to maintain system security. So we're just going to press a empty folder to download the sound. Next, and now we're going to install it in our computer. Now we have downloaded this app. We can see here the Apache. We're gonna turn it on since we're going to use it, and as well as MySQL. We can see here the ports, and also it says here that it is functioning and running. So now to test if it's really functioning, we're going to search my local host, my PHP, my admin. So we can see here that it is working, it is functioning, and it is running. So now we're going to make a simple web page by using Notepad++. So we're just gonna paste it here. You can see as it is in HTML, but we're going to put it in PHP later. So echo means it is a print method of PHP. So we're just gonna download it, save it here, rather, here in this file as PHP text paper here. And we have saved it as isa.php, and we can search it as localhost/isa/ and you can see hello world. So we have successfully run a web page using PHP, and we can say that this XAMPP is working. Thank you. Bye bye.